Welcome to this bedtime mantra for miracles with challenges. In this current challenge I am facing, I know that I do not need to face it alone. Beyond what I can see with my eyes and beyond what my mind can understand, I am supported and guided. I give over my frustrations and fears now, and choose to rest easy in the knowledge that love and peace are my core nature and loving energy surrounds me. I ask to be guided through this challenge. Please hold me and show me the way. Where my mind is blocking me from seeing clearly, please help me to shift my perspective. I know I am a child of creation, connected unbreakably to all of life, and that I fill an important place here. For all the ways I have misjudged my own strength and ability, I forgive myself and choose now to own the capability and empowerment that was placed within me when I was born. For all the ways I have judged life and resisted this challenge, I forgive myself and let this go now. I choose to accept this challenge fully, as I know that at some level on my spiritual faith path, this is here for a reason. I am here to triumph in some way through this challenge, to learn, to grow, and to be my best self in ways I have never been before. I wholeheartedly accept this as a temporary phase of my life, and I know my acceptance of it and making peace with it is the energy that allows me to move forward past it. As I go to sleep tonight, I surrender all upset, all fear, all resistance, and I give thanks for the healing in my mind and heart that takes place as I rest tonight. I call my soul to step forward and lead the way, guided by divine order. I hear my intuition clearly when it speaks to me in relation to this challenge. I give over any need to be right. I let go of any need to get what I think I want or what I have deemed should happen. I choose instead to call upon the power of all creation in saying, may the highest good be done for all, and I trust in the flow. Thank you for this gift of life, including this challenge, for it buffers away any rough edges I may have and shines me into the diamond I truly am. I invite miracles now.